so I think now I want to bring in our first guest. We want to talk about selling your HDB. We get a lot of questions regarding selling HDB. If you want to do it by yourself, if you want to have someone else do it, what are the steps that you can expect? We're here to help you, and not just me, but my trusty guest, Maylin. Everybody welcome Maylin.
Hey!
Hey, Maylin.
Hey, Audrey.
Hey, thanks for joining us
Thank
today.
you. I'm so excited to be here. This is our
first
first live.
Our first LazLive. We're so excited. And we want to talk about selling HDB.
Yes.
So, Maylin, you have had many questions from clients about selling HDB. So, do you guys recognize this board? Can we zoom in on this board? So this board is actually made famous on YouTube. A lot of celebrities use this board to answer questions. We're celebrities ourselves, so
Technically.
I'm just joking. No one knows us. But we thought that we would put on the top frequently asked questions about HDB that have
A lot
been
of
asked.
customers have asked as well.
Yes.
Yep.
So we're going to answer all of these, and Maylin is going to answer them to the best of her
Yep.
ability. And then after that, guys, we're going to ask you guys some questions in a quiz.
And all the answers will be talked about as we go through these questions. So please listen. We will be emphasizing the most important points.
She'll be giving you the answers.
Yep.
All you have to do is to comment
the
afterwards.
right answer. Yep.
Yes, but we're going to get started. These
Yes,
are the most
let's.
frequently asked questions when it comes to selling your HDB. You ready?
All right.
I'm so
All
ready.
right.
Are they ready?
Okay, I'm gonna rip out the first one. How do I register intent to sell for HDB? Okay, is it
Wow.
leche? Is it not leche?
Girl, with Ohmyhome, everything is leche free, but let me just go through. So registering intent to sell is actually the first step that you have to do when you sell your HDB. But even then, even before you do this, you can actually already engage an agent before you decide or are ready to sell. Even when you're still thinking about it, you can already do your research, chat with Ohmyhome or engage an agent, and we will be very happy to go through all the steps with you. So for registering your intent to sell, it's really easy. You just go online. You go to HDB resale portal. Basically, you just go to Google and type HDB resale portal, and then it'll be the first search result. Then it'll pop up. Click the link, and you're there. And you can sign in via your SingPass.
Guys, you can sign in via SingPass.
So you don't actually have to create
Please
an
remember
account.
what I just said. You can sign in via SingPass.
Wow.
That's a
You want the
cue
free
there.
gift?
Yep. So you sign in via your SingPass, and then there you go.
Okay.
First step done.
So it seems pretty straightforward and easy. Let's go on to question number 2.
What is
How
the next
do
one?
I determine my HDB selling price? I think everybody wants to know this, right? Like, how much can I sell my HDB
Yes.
for?
Yeah, so I think everybody, this is the age-old question. If you're trying to sell your house, how high can you sell it for? We have a lot of news coming up where resale flats prices are rising, and so can you sell it at that price as well? The first thing that you have to do to determine your selling price is to find out how much your home is worth.
Yeah.
So this is also called home valuation, which we have at Ohmyhome. It's also on LazMall, like Audrey said.
LazMall.
You can find our evaluation report on LazMall, and if you follow us, you get $1 off. So it's pretty like
Yeah.
Yes, so
Okay.
once you have your home valuation, you'll also get a free market report with this. So what you'll find in a market report is your home valuation, of course, it's in the name.
Yeah.
And you'll also find an analysis of the past transactions in your street or area. Now, Audrey, we actually did a lot of research and a lot of interviews within Ohmyhome, and we found out that these are what sellers are looking for, how the analysis of their past transactions in their area. These are,
Don't you want to know how much your neighbor bought their
we
house
have that
for?
kickball culture.
Or-
We get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this will actually really inform your decision on how to determine your selling price. And even better, if you have an agent, they will go through your financial calculations, get everything ready for you, and make sure that you have enough to sell your home and to buy your next home as well.
Fantastic. Okay, guys. So that's how you can do it. You just get our valuation report, which is
On
in
LazMall.
LazMall.
Yeah.
On sale, 15% off if you collected the vouchers. Okay. Our next question. Gosh. Okay, here we go. What else should I do when selling my HDB? I think that question is for the step-by-step. So you registered intent to sell, you've already gotten your selling price. What else do you have to do in order to sell your HDB?
Okay, so that's steps 1 and steps 2. Register your intent to sell, determine your selling price. Now that you've determined your selling price, you can actually get your house ready to post a listing online. So first you can do is stage your house, declutter, clean, make sure that
Home can help you.
Yep. Make sure that it's beautiful and ready to entice and attract buyers to your listing, so you can take photos. Again, like Audrey said, if you engage Ohmyhome agents, we are very happy to help you this. They are trained. We see them in the office getting trained to take really nice pictures for you to up your listing on our app.
Yeah.
So
taking pictures are very important, guys. I don't know about you, but on Grab Food, when I order food, if there's no picture of the food, I'm not buying.
you're not gonna trust it, definitely.
I need to look at what my nasi lemak looks like before I buy.
Yeah, it definitely ups the credibility.
Yeah, and even more for such a big purchase, right? Like a house. You want to know exactly what you're getting yourself into.
Yes.
So
once
very important to take pictures.
Once you've posted your listing online, you can actually now search for buyers. And at Ohmyhome, we have this really amazing feature called Match, where we will match you with the right buyer that you're looking for. So for example, you're selling a 4-room flat in Topayo, and somebody else has told us or has inputted in our system that they are looking for the same thing. We can actually make the match for you. It's kind of like dating, to be honest.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And it's called Match.
And we don't have to swipe left or right. We will do it for you. So once you've got that, you have a few perspectives. You have buyers that are ready to look at your house. You can arrange viewings. Again, if you're doing this on your own, you can do this on our app, or you can chat with our buyers directly. With our agents, we'll help you arrange the viewings for you. Once you've arranged the viewings, you find a buyer, you can actually now go on to the negotiation phase. We've talked about how to determine your selling price, and you go through the negotiation phase with your buyer. You agree on the resale price of the flat, and then you assess their offer. Once they've made an offer, you assess it, and then you issue your OTP. After that, you can submit your resale application. This is also done on the resale HDB portal. Again, you can look at this. You can find it on Google, really easy to find. And you do your final inspection of the flat. And then you attend your HDB resale completion date appointment, and then you hand over your keys. And then you've sold your house.
Okay, so it actually sounds like there are a lot of steps, but it's actually pretty straightforward. If you want to actually see this guide, we actually have it up on our blog, on our website. Please
as well as our app.
And our app as well. So please download the app or look at ohmyhome.com, and we can actually help you list out all of these steps.
And actually, once you see the guides, it seems simple and easy and quick, but it will be even simpler. It will be even quicker with an Ohmyhome super agent.
I love that word.
Yes.
Okay, we're going on to the next one, guys. I'm afraid we're going to run out of time. How do I calculate my profits after selling my HDB?
Yes.
If I have a Pinnacle at Duxton Place
at like 1.5 million selling it at that price,
do I get all of that back?
Unfortunately, no. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Oh, really? It's the ideal, but unfortunately, you do have to deduct certain factors after you sold your house. For example, your outstanding home loan, your CPF monies, you have to refund it. Your resale levy, if there's
it's all
any.
on the screen, guys, by the way, so you can take a look at it.
Yes, I believe we are flashing a breakdown calculation right there. We have fees as well that you have to deduct, your agent fees, which at Ohmyhome, like Audrey has mentioned it's a flat rate starting from $2,888 for HDB, and then and your admin fees. So yes, after you deduct it at the very bottom, that's the final amount that you can actually get in cash after you've sold your HDB.
Okay, so it's actually not as straightforward. Unfortunately, it doesn't go directly to your DBS account.
Sadly, we would all love that.
That would have been great. But anyway, final question, Amelia.
Yes,
are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
How do I sell HDB by myself? Okay, so I think you actually walk through like what else?
A few of the steps,
do. Yeah, but
I think we can go through the technical ones of actually selling it on a portal, like what a lot of people usually do nowadays because of technology. Everything
you can just
is
upload
easy.
It yourself, right?
And there's so many portals out there, but at Ohmyhome, it's simple, it's easy. You download Ohmyhome, which is available on Google Play and App Store. It's completely free. You don't have to be an agent. You don't have to pay a fee to make an account. And once you go on Ohmyhome, you can actually post a listing. It's right there in the middle, like a plus sign. You post your listing. Include your flat details, obviously. Like
How many
your
bedrooms, how many bathrooms?
like your price as well, and location, the address, and include pictures and videos.
Include pictures of videos.
We talked about this. Pictures are really important. Again, as I mentioned earlier, we conducted some interviews, and buyers really do like to see pictures on listings.
Yeah.
Everything makes it even more credible once you have pictures, or even home tours. If you are amenable, we can help you with that as well. If you engage us, our agents can help you do 3D, 360 home tours.
Which really helps, I think, especially this time
COVID.
of COVID, and people, don't feel safe about going to a physical tour.
Yeah.
If you can give them a virtual tour, even better.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Yes. After that, you can schedule your open house or conduct property viewings, and you can chat with any potential buyers directly on the Ohmyhome app. Now, Audrey, I don't know if you know this, but we have a feature called ShoutOut.
Hey!
Hey! Yes. So this ShoutOut actually works this way. So buyers who are on our app will literally shout out, input their requirements, the size, the budget, the location, and if it matches your listing, you can suggest the listing. That's a button that you can click, and it will open up a chat room that lets you go into talking to the buyers directly, and then you can close the deal after that.
Amazing.
Alright.
Okay, so those are the 5 questions. Let's flash them again.
Yes.
You can always go back to. Sorry. Real quick, these are the questions that we just answered. We hope that has helped you.